Hi, this is John with WTI. And lately I've been trying to change or to improve my skills cooking while I'm cooking. And finding the opportunity to have this avocado oils by PAM. This is great for searing. And one of the things that I like the most from this oil, avocado oil, it's just so easy just to use. This is like a spray that you spray all over the pan. You're not gonna do extra amounts of oil. Like sometimes you just pour there and you just never measure the amount of oil that you would use. So I've used this for different situations. I've used this for searing, to make ground beef or chicken or anything like that. I've used this to make sauces. I even used this to make pancakes the other day. So I sprayed it on the my air fryer, and it just works great. It just did a great job. So if you're just looking for a better option, a healthier option for you just to do your normal cooking of every day, this actually does a great job. So this was John without Lead TI, and that was my point of view.